It's the start of a new day at Roosevelt Dual Language Academy, and for its head custodian, that day starts at 5 a.m. with no room for snoozing.
I don't snooze. I'm here at a certain time every day. Okay,
Meet Mr. Joe Reyes, a familiar face at Roosevelt. This longtime EISD employee is usually the first person students see when arriving at school, and the last one they see when leaving.
At 7:15, we start opening the doors to greet all the kids, and I open the doors for. I know just about every kid's name, and they all know me, and they've known me since they were in kinder. So once they're in 5th grade, I don't even want 5th grade to get here because they'll be going to Gus Garcia or Brentwood or something, and I won't see them anymore until I go and help over there, and they see me and they go, "Mr. Joe, are you here to help, or are you here to stay?" I go, "No, I'm here to help." And so, well, that's good.
And in the afternoon, when his whirlwind day stops for a bit, Mr. Joe takes time to help.
Let's say that Philly cheesesteak, or
whether it's telling them what's on the menu for that day, opening a carton of milk, or even tying their shoes, there's nothing he wouldn't do for his kiddos. Spend some time with Joe and you'll quickly learn just how much his students mean to him. And with retirement in his near future, he already has plans to return to Roosevelt to help.
My daughter, I have a daughter and a son, and they said, "Dad, it's up to you. You've been working all your life. I've been in the district for 24 years already. And I love it. I love it. I love Edgewood because they do a lot for you." We'll see in 2 more years. And if I do retire, I plan to come back and sub or help around or do whatever. I don't want to leave my kiddos. It's very nice just to get to work and see all these kids every morning and then see them leave in the afternoon.